Well, in terms of client growth and ship growth for the Liberian Registry, we start with looking at the traditional large ship-owning nations, Greece, Germany, Japan, for us. Those still represent opportunities. In particular, in Greece, we see a lot of sale and purchase activity. So Greek market is very exciting for us. For Liberia in particular, the Japanese market is also very interesting. We're seeing some growth. We've achieved several new clients over the recent months, and we expect that to continue. So in terms of growth, we look at those three countries, and then we look at emerging markets. But before emerging markets, there's Asia, and in particular China. And we're doing a lot of interesting things in China, working both in Shanghai and Tianjin, and we see opportunities for Liberian flag with Chinese ship owners and Chinese finance for the rest of the world ship owners. So those are opportunities for us. And then, as I mentioned, emerging markets, whether it's in South America, India, and some of the smaller but developing countries, we see opportunities for flags, and in particular Liberia, in those markets. Speaking on flags, generally, I think that the area of opportunity that we're focusing on is technology, improving efficiency, improving the way we do business, the accuracy, the ability to provide the oversight in a more secure and profound way. That's where we're developing.
And how about challenges for the registry sector going forward?
Well, the shipping economics is always a challenge. We're still bouncing off the bottom of a very difficult and extended downturn, and that creates challenges for the entire industry. And I don't think anyone is insulated by that. While we've done quite well in the last 8 years since the Lehman Brothers collapse, it still does take its toll on all players in the shipping industry, and in particular, a lot of our clients who are having difficulties. This is one of the primary challenges. I think the other challenges is a populist movement, a movement towards nationalism. The book hasn't been written yet. I think a lot of people have thoughts about what's going to happen in the future with Brexit, with the Trump administration, but I don't think anyone really knows what's going to happen. I think there might be a shift in trends, and there may be a change in energy policies, but I don't think it's going to create a fundamental change in global trade. I think there may be some changes, some trade lane shifts, but I don't think it's going to create suddenly a sharp downturn in global trade. So therefore, I'm relatively optimistic, but the fear of the unknown represents a challenge.